Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning landing page with Canva. Yes, you can easily design one with no coding skills like no coding skill needed. Whether it's for your product, a special offer, or building your email list, Canva makes it easy to create eye-catching landing pages. Let's dive right in. First of all, let's head over to canva.com. If you don't if you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Once logged in, click on create a design button at the top right. For a landing page, I recommend using custom size. Set the dimensions to something like 1200 into 2400 pixel. Then click on create new design. This is a great size for a landing page that that's easy to scroll on desktop and mobile. Now you have a blank canvas ready for your design. If you are looking for a head start, Canva has tons of landing page templates. You can customize it. For that, go back to home, then click templates, and in the search bar, type landing page and select it. Browse through the templates and choose one that fits your style and goal. I am going to choose a clean, simple template for this tutorial. Click on it. Once you select your template, it's time to start customizing. Click on customize this template. Let's start with the header. This is the first thing your visitors will see. So make sure it grabs attention. Click on the text box in the header. Change the text to something compelling like unlock your exclusive offer or get started today. And resize the text like that. Adjust the font size, style and color to match your branding. Canva gives you plenty of options to make the header stand out. Now let's add a call to action button, which is super important for a landing page. Go to left sidebar, then click on elements, search for button, and choose a design from here. Drag it into place and customize the text to say something like sign up. Click add text box, then resize it and sign up for free or get your free trial or learn more. That's it. Make sure the button is bold and stand out from the rest of the page. You can also adjust the button color to match your branding. Next, let's make your landing page more visually appealing by adding some images or graphics. Click on Uploads from the left sidebar to upload your own images like your product or Steam photo. You can also use Canvas Elements tab to find illustrations, icons, and or background image that align with your message. Make sure the images are relevant to your offer and visually complement the text on the page. Adding testimonials or social proof can really help build trust with your visitors. Scroll down and find a place to add a testimonial section like here. Click on the text from the left sidebar. Choose testimonial. Template. From element. Like that. A quotes from satisfied customers, influencers, or any relevant social proof. So that's it. How easy is it is to create a landing page with Canva? It's a great way to drive conversions, showcase your products, or gather leads. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button for more design tips. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.